Today we will discuss about the unit number 3 electron displacement. Second effect, electromagnetic effect. Now myself, Dr. Surekant Murgas Boru, Assistant Professor and Head of Department of Chemistry, Molecular Work, Naval Science College, Tamar. Now, first, electromagnetic effect. Dear friends, in previous lecture we discussed about the first electronic displacement, first effect, which is the inductive effect. In that topic, in that lecture, we discussed about what is the inductive effect, example of that inductive effect, important points or characteristics of inductive effects, and types of inductive effects and applications of inductive effects. Now in this lecture we discuss about second electronic displacement, second effect, which is the electromagnetic effects. So question arises as what is electromagnetic effect? Now the electromagnetic effect is nothing but, or electromagnetic effect is defined as the complete temporary transfer of pi electron pairs towards one of the bonded atoms, under the influence of reagent. That means in presence of reagents, this effect is known as, or it's called as electromagnetic effect. It's also known as, or denoted as, E effect. That means in electromagnetic effect, here complete pi electron pair, no doubt, which is a temporary, but complete pi electron pair transferred towards one of the bonded atom, or in presence of reagent, under the influence of reagents. This effect is known as electromagnetic effect. A general example, consider molecule AB. Now in that AB molecules, double bond in between atom A and atom B, because here in electromagnetic definition, complete temporary transfer of pi electron pair, and pi electron pair present in case of a molecule which contain double or triple bond, double or triple bonds. That means here, for the explanation of electromagnetic effect, consider an example AB having double bond in between A and B. पण या ठिकाणी मित्रांनो, हा जो इफेक्ट आहे इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक इफेक्ट, हा आपल्याला अशा मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये आपल्याला स्टडी करायला मिळणार आहे की ज्यामध्ये पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर असेल, आणि पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर ही ज्या ठिकाणी पाय बॉन्ड प्रेझेंट आहे त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाहायला मिळेल. म्हणजेच ज्यामध्ये डबल बॉन्ड आणि ट्रिपल बॉन्ड आहे अशा मॉलिक्युल्स मध्ये आपल्याला हा इफेक्ट स्टडी करायला मिळेल. Now in this effect, ही जी पाय पेयर आहे, पाय पेयर present in between atom A and B, bonded atom A and bonded atom B, shifted or transferred on atom B due to the presence of these reagents. So B acquires negative charge while A acquires positive charge, because you know that A lost the electron, that's why acquires positive charge. Again B gained the electron, that's why acquires negative charge. Now this effect is known as electromeric effect. That means this effect is acts as an electromeric effect. Now this is general example. Now example, carbon double bond carbon. For example, this ethylene CH2 double bond CH2. Now here H positive, that means this electrophile proton acts as a reagents. Now the proton move toward the carbon and electron pair shifted to on this carbon atom. So this carbon atom acquire negative charge while this carbon acquire positive, like this here. But here this carbon acquire negative charge, this is a ring center. So this electrophile attached to the electron ring center, which is at this carbon atom. Now this effect is known as a electromeric effect. That means in this effect, the pi electron pair present in between these two carbon atoms completely shifted or transferred on this carbon atom. We discuss in definition as the complete temporary transfer of pi electron pair towards one of the bonded atom under the influence of reagents. That means in presence of reagents. Why this is known as temporary? Because as soon as the reagent remove from this reaction, so what happens? This is the reversible reaction. This reaction move towards in original stage. That means this effect under the influence of reagent only. So this transfer of this electron is temporary. Okay. So what is electromeric effect? The complete temporary transfer of pi electron pairs towards one of the bonded atom under the influence of reagent is called as electromeric effect. Now it is also denoted by E effect. E effect. Now, what are the characteristics or important points of that electromeric effect or E effect? Now, in case of definition, it is temporary. This effect acts as a temporary. Why? Because this effect due to the presence of or under the influence of reagent only. That means as soon as reagent remove, reaction reverse. So this effect temporary. That's why it is a temporary effect. Now again, it occurs in a double bond and triple bond. That means multiple bond compound. Multiple bond compound. Now next, this effect under the influence of reagent. That means there is a need of reagent for this effect. Reagent असेल या ठिकाणी जर reagent असेल तरच हा इफेक्ट आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतो, अन्यथा नाही. म्हणजे reagent हा या ठिकाणी महत्त्वाचा आहे, इसेन्शियल आहे. ओके. ना पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर इन्व्हॉल्व इन दिस इफेक्ट. या इफेक्ट मध्ये आपल्याला पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर इन्व्हॉल्व झालेली दिसते. बिकॉज हियर complete temporary transfer of pi electron pair. Then bonded atom acquires complete positive or negative charge. यामध्ये बघितलं की जे बॉन्डेड ॲटम आहे, हा बॉन्डेड ॲटमवर कंप्लीट पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह चार्ज या ठिकाणी आलेला आहे. ओके. कंप्लीट पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह चार्ज आले म्हणजे या ठिकाणी काय करतात, बॉन्डेड ॲटमवर कंप्लीट पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह चार्ज येतो. And this effect is denoted by the arrow, denoted by arrow pointed towards the electron transfer. म्हणजे आपल्याला हा कर्व ॲरो जो आहे, या कर्व ॲरोने आपल्याला हा डिनोट करायचा आहे. आणि कर्व ॲरोचा जो पॉइंट आहे तो कोणत्या साईडला असेल, ज्या साईडला इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सफर झाले, ज्या साईडला इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सफर झाले. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, बघा या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये हे इलेक्ट्रॉन जे ट्रान्सफर झाले ती या बी या बॉन्डेड ॲटमवर झाले. म्हणजे आपण असा हा कर्व ॲरो दाखवला या ठिकाणी या कार्बनवर. मग बीवर आला निगेटिव्ह चार्ज आणि एक मी इलेक्ट्रॉन गमावले, लॉस केले, बीवर आला पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. ओके. क्लिअर. these important points of electromeric effect. That means first important point, it is a temporary effect. Second, it occurs in multiple bond compound. Third, this effect under the influence of reagent only. Fourth point, pi electron pairs involved in this effect. Next point, 6 number point, bonded atom acquires complete positive and negative charge, and last point, it is denoted by curved arrow pointed towards the electron transfer. यानी की ज्या साईडला इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सफर झाले तिकडे आहे असा पॉइंट असतो. Okay. Now next move towards the next point, which is the type of electromagnetic effect. Similar to that of the type of inductive effect, here we discuss about the types of electromagnetic effect. Now again here there are two types of electromagnetic effect. Positive electromagnetic effect, which is also denoted, also known as plus E effect. Second, negative electromagnetic effect, minus E effect. So discuss one by one. So first, positive electromagnetic effect or plus E effect. Now define positive electromagnetic effect. The electromagnetic effect, because this is the type of electromagnetic effect. So the electromagnetic effect in which pi electron pair transfer toward attacking reagents. Attacking reagents is called as, is known as positive electromagnetic effect. Once again, the electromagnetic effect in which pi electron transfer towards attacking reagents. Now attacking reagents, in this case, which is attacking reagent? Electrophile acts as the attacking reagents. Okay, so this effect is known as a positive electromagnetic effect. Now consider an example, ethylene. Now reagent H positive, that means proton, acts as electrophile. Now this is electrophile because you know that positive charge carrier species or electron deficient center acts as a electrophile. So this is the electrophile, and you know that again electrophile attack at the position which is a electron rich center. So here the electron pair, pi electron pair transfer toward attacking reagents. यानी कि या ठिकाणी ही जी पेयर इथे जे ट्रान्सफर होते आणि अटॅकिंग रिएजंट सुद्धा इथेच अटॅच होतो. ओके, such effect is known as a positive electromagnetic effect. The electromagnetic effect in which pi electron pair transfer toward attacking reagent, that means towards electrophile, this effect is known as a positive electromagnetic effect. Now in case of negative electromagnetic effect, exactly opposite that of the positive electromagnetic effect. So this is also type of electromagnetic effect. That's why the electromagnetic effect in which pi electron pair transfer away from the attacking reagents. Transfer away from the attacking reagents. That means which is the attacking reagent here? Nucleophile. Because nucleophile attack at diffusion center. Attack at a diffusion center because nucleophile itself acts as a electron rich center. And now the electron always away from their attacking reagent, which is a nucleophile. So this effect is known as a negative electromagnetic effect. So what is my negative electromagnetic effect? The electromagnetic effect in which pi electron pair transfer away from the attacking reagent, that is nucleophile. Such electromagnetic effect is known as a negative electromagnetic effect or minus I effect. Now consider an example, ketone. Now this is the acetone, CH3 C double bond CH3. This is known as acetone or dimethyl ketone. Now it reacts with reagent which is a Ca negative. Ca negative, that means negative charge carrier species known as a nucleophile. This reagent acts as a nucleophile because there are two types of reagent: electrophilic reagent and nucleophilic reagent, or electrophile or nucleophile. Now this is a nucleophile. So the nucleophile electron pair shift or transfer towards this oxygen. So oxygen acquires negative charge, this carbon acquires positive charge, and nucleophile always attack on the positive charge center or electron diffusion center. So like this here. So electron pair transfer away from the attacking reagents. So this effect is known as a negative electromeric effect. Okay, clear? This is a two type of electromeric effect: positive electromeric effect and negative electromeric effect. In case of positive electromeric effect, pi electron pair shift or transfer towards attacking reagents. That means electrophile. But in case of negative electromeric effect, pi electron pair transfer away from the attacking reagent. That means nucleophiles. Okay. Now move towards the next points. चला आता पुढचा पॉइंट काय ते बघू आपण. तर पुढचा पॉइंट आहे applications of electromeric effect. Now there are number of applications of electromeric effect. That म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा की इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्टच्या ॲप्लिकेशनचा जर विचार केला त्यामध्ये खूप सारे एक्झाम्पल्स, खूप सारे आपल्याला रिॲक्शन्स असे आहेत की त्यामध्ये या इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्टचे ॲप्लिकेशन्स आपल्याला पाहायला मिळाले. त्यापैकी काही जसे की इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन्स ऑफ अल्कीन. म्हणजे अल्कीनमध्ये जर आपण इलेक्ट्रोफाईल ॲड करत असेल तर यामध्ये आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्टचं ॲप्लिकेशन पाहायला मिळते. सेम त्याच प्रकारे इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन्स ऑफ अल्काइन अल्सो. म्हणजे अल्कीन अल्काइन हे काय आहेत, मल्टिपल बॉन्ड कंपाऊंड्स आहेत, डबल बॉन्ड आणि ट्रिपल बॉन्ड असलेले हायड्रोकार्बन्स आहेत. नाउ नेक्स्ट ॲप्लिकेशन्स न्यूक्लियोफिलिक ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन्स ऑफ कार्बोनिक कंपाऊंड, जे की मग अशी आपण आता एक्झाम्पल बघितलं. CN निगेटिव्ह अटॅक ऑन कार्बन. हे जे एक्झाम्पल आहे न्यूक्लियोफिलिक ॲडिशन. म्हणजे यामध्ये काय झालं मग, इन केस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफिलिक ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन ऑफ कार्बोनिक कंपाऊंड, इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट इज यूज. नेक्स्ट है इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन्स ऑफ अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड्स मध्ये इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन जी आहे आपल्याला ती स्टडी करत असताना या इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्टचा आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी यूज किंवा ॲप्लिकेशन पाहायला मिळते. ओके, तर हे झालं आपल्याला ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्टचा पार्ट. आणि हे आहे इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्टची माहिती. यामध्ये आपण फर्स्ट घेतलंय व्हॉट इज इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट, एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट. नंतर आपण बघितलंय important points of that electromagnetic effect, characteristics or important points of electromagnetic effect, आणि types of electromagnetic effect, आणि last आपण डिस्कसिंग केले applications of electromagnetic effect. हा एवढा पार्ट हा आहे सेकंड इफेक्ट ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट, which is a electromagnetic effect.